After watching a live event on August 11th, we bought a top-of-the-line Moto X30 Pro almost immediately. To be honest, it has been a long time since a smartphone could catch my eye at a glance. Before we start reviewing, let's unbox it first. Briefly at the box, a miniature of the main camera is printed inside the pure black logo. Moto is printed on the side and Lenovo on the other. In 2014, Lenovo bought Motorola's smartphone business from Google, and the two logos has been tied together ever since. Inside, on the top is the X30 Pro in the flesh, 6.7 inches, 22.9 screens in the front, and a triple camera module in the back. The back cover is rough rustic glass, and the whole body weighs 198.5 grams, which is lighter than I expected. The large cardboard contains instructions, papers, a pin, and a black rubber protective case. There is a 1.5-meter USB-C to C cable on the bottom of the box, and it's very solid, and a small gallium nitride adapter with a maximum power of 122 watts and compatible with 100 watts USB PD protocol. I have to say that Lenovo, as an accessory manufacturer, is very generous in terms of charger specifications. You can hardly find the same in the market. I've been using the device for 1 day, and the system experience is what I feel the most interesting. The new MIUI 4 strikes the perfect balance between clean and localization. It has both the clean and concise AOSP experience and the modular, switchable localization features. When I got the phone for the first time, the status bar, the setting, even the built-in applications, the all-in-one Material U element made me feel that every future Google imagined for material design has been implemented on MIUI 4. I used to think that I would never be interested in a domestic phone, but now it may be reasonable to buy a Moto smartphone for MIUI. After unboxing, I will be preparing for the next reviewing video. I hope to share with you the most intuitive feelings about X30 Pro. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot, and thank you for watching.